pieces and a new look Indian Oil Durand Cup needs new teams and new stories, and that is what we will be looking for. Delhi FC, physical, robust and with a lot of talent that gets exported to many parts of India. Here comes Trivhuvan Army, space here inside the fullback, an early chance and a wonderful save from Pawan Kumar, just denying the on-rushing number 11. Delhi FC utilizing the aerial prowess of goal.The pretty well. He's the one bringing those balls down. A free kick opportunity meanwhile. And tipped over by Bikesh. And getting some help of the woodwork as well. That was tipping onto the top corner. A great free kick taken. Himanshu Changra applying the right technique. Delhi FC, their entire youth setup that continuously supplies a lot of talents to Indian football. In comes the cross meanwhile, plucks it out of the air quite comfortably is Bikesh and hugs the ball to chest as if his dear life depends on it.
It's important, when you have goalkeepers with safe hands, the defenders also are very confident, and so the team comes up.
Here's that move from the right. And capitalized by the number 15 Dinesh. And Trivhuvan Army takes the lead here at the SAI Stadium in Kokrajhar. Delhi FC defends in 6s and 7s. A big mistake from Pawan Kumar. Himanshu Changra now operating from the right hand side to accommodate that central space to goal.The. Meanwhile, ball comes in, but the keeper gets there before the number 22 of Delhi FC. Brave goalkeeping from Bikesh, just reading the danger. So they'll just time and again getting behind the Delhi FC fullbacks, and the ball just skidding off Pawan Kumar. In comes the cross once more, and this time gets his palms onto it, and the ball eventually stops right in front of him and makes it comfortable for a blue shirt to avoid the danger. Himanshu Changra slipping in, goal.The. The offside flag goes up immediately.
What a chance that was for Trivhuvan Army. And then this offside, they've kept the man-to-man marking, not giving little space to Himanshu or Gaganbari, who was always there on top. Giri Khosla needs to get into the game. You need to put the ball on the wide. He has got the ability to cross the ball, put the deliveries right.
In comes the cross from Fahad. A low ball in, taking on a couple of players out of the equation. Giri Khosla just couldn't, deflected goalwards.
Bit ahead, ball coming on the minus, just couldn't keep his balance on.
Giri Khosla has got support. Palmed away, not too far. It was a feeble punch from the goalkeeper. And Himanshu Changra on the rise puts it over the crossbar.
Giri Khosla on the right. You have Himanshu, who has got fantastic technique and skill.
A mistake from Bikesh. Was he brought down is the question. A referee waves away the protest.
Great ball there. Look at that cross. Very beautifully. The goalkeeper comes out, spills it away.
A goal kick now for Trivhuvan Army. Sitting deep, looking to hit Delhi on the break. Meanwhile, a chance opens up for Giri Khosla. And stabbed away by the goalkeeper. What a brilliant save from Bikesh.
Great build-up, I would say. The transition was good. Look at that header and that 1-2. Really bringing him up in front of the goal. But the goalkeeper goes down very quickly on the right.
Just inviting Delhi inside their own territory. Fahad Tamuri with a quick back heel and fires the number 30.
Of wanting a goal inside the half. Look at that pass. It comes in, goes through, but then this shot really hits the bar and comes back, and Girik is there saying thank you very much. The defender tries all that he could to really save that ball from Girik, but the ball gives him a chance, and that's a goal, an equalizer from none other than this enterprising player, Kokrajhar.
Having a vice-like grip at present. Even this result won't be enough, won't help them. They'll want to pick up full 3 points. And now Himanshu Jagra onto his right foot and forcing a save of Vikesh. Had his sides covered on this occasion, the number 1 of Trivhuvan Army. Is there one last attack left in this? They got to quickly get the ball into the box, and Ashwin blows the full-time whistle. Delhi FC and Trivhuvan Army FC of Nepal share spoils here at the side very first time. Delhi FC will now top the group with 2 points from 2 games.